Hi there, welcome to our channel Tara Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to convert a PDF document to PowerPoint presentation. And the converted PowerPoint can be editable and also it is a free of cost. In the current scenario, as you know that the whole world is studying from the internet. So most of the time you download the notes and that notes are in a PDF format. Some of the PPT are even converted into the PDF. So if you want to make some changes in PDF document, that is not possible. So for that you need to convert into the PPT so that you can reuse it by making some changes. So there are various tools or converter available on the online platform. But today I'm going to discuss about the two portals where you can easily convert your PDF document into the PowerPoint presentation. So without wasting the time, I'm taking you to the screen where you can see which are these two best online PDF to PowerPoint converter portal where you can convert your PDF document into PowerPoint presentation easily, and that too online. If you are new to our channel, then I request you to please subscribe our channel. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share as much as you can. Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials. First of all, open any browser in your computer and then go to Google search box and here you type PDF to PowerPoint converter. Here you will see the two websites. One is smallpdf.com and another is ilovepdf.com. These two are the best website which I have found for converting the PDF document into PowerPoint presentation. If you are using smallpdf.com for converting PDF into PPT, in that case, make sure that your PDF file size is less than 15 MB. Okay, so come to home page of this portal, click on the choose file, and here you can select any of the PDF documents. Say this size is just 116 KB, and you can see that it is uploading the PDF and now it is a convert. Now I have an option here that I can download it. So click on the download button or you can click on the drop down arrow here and you see the various options: save to device, save to small PDF, save to Dropbox, and save to Google Drive. So click on the save to device button and when you go to your download folder, here you can see that the PDF document has been converted into the PPT and the size has been reduced from 116 KB to 28 KB. I will open this file for the demo purpose. Click on the enable editing and here you can see that it is converted into the PPT. Now here you can make changes whatever you feel like. You can make changes as per your requirement and you can save it. So this is how you can convert your PDF document into the PPT. Now I'm talking about the another website, that is ilovepdf.com. So here you don't have any restriction. Even if the PDF file size is more than 15 MB also, you can convert your PDF file to PPT. So I found this website something more useful than smallpdf.com. So here also you need to, if you want to convert, so come here in the convert PDF section, and here you can see a tab that is PDF to PowerPoint. Click on this, select the PDF file, or you can directly import it from the Google Drive or from the Dropbox. I'm selecting this PDF file, that is a paradigms. Click on the open button. It will take some time, and then click on you can also add more files here if you wish to convert more than one PDF file into PPT, and then convert it to PPTX. It will take some time, and while converting PDF to PowerPoint, you are not supposed to close the browser. So as you can see that the file has been converted. Now you have to click on the download PowerPoint button, and once you click on the this button, automatically it gets downloaded. So this is how you can convert your PDF document into PowerPoint presentation, so that you can easily change, you can make corrections, you can edit it, and you can reuse it as per your requirement or choice. So friends, you have seen that it is very easy to convert PDF into PowerPoint, that to online, that to free of cost. You don't need any paid software for this. You don't need any software to install. It can be done easily. If you are happy with this video, please like this video and share it with your family, friends, and relatives so that they can also get benefited. And at last, I request you to please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching video.